Bread. A staple food made from flour and water, usually baked. I like to eat bread with butter for breakfast. Burger. A sandwich consisting of a patty, usually beef, in a bun. He ate a big burger with fries. Cake. A sweet-baked dessert, often eaten during celebrations. She baked a chocolate cake for his birthday. Cheese. A dairy product made from milk. Cheese goes well with crackers and wine. Chicken. Poultry meat often cooked in various ways. Fried chicken is my favorite comfort food. Chocolate. A sweet food made from cocoa beans. Kids love eating chocolate bars. Eggs. A common protein source from birds, especially chickens. I usually eat scrambled eggs in the morning. Fish. An animal that lives in water and is eaten as food. Grilled fish is healthy and delicious. Fries. Thin strips of deep-fried potato. Fries are perfect with ketchup. Ice cream. A frozen sweet dessert made from milk and sugar. Ice cream is perfect on hot days. Meat. Animal flesh used as food. He bought fresh meat from the butcher. Noodles. Long thin strips of dough, often boiled. She loves eating noodles with broth. Pasta. Italian noodles made from wheat and water. She cooked pasta with tomato sauce for dinner. Pizza. A dish of flat bread topped with sauce, cheese, and various toppings. We ordered a pizza for the party. Rice. A grain that is a staple food in many countries. Rice is served with almost every meal in Asia. Salad. A cold dish made with vegetables, sometimes with dressing. I had a fresh salad for lunch. Sandwich. 2 slices of bread with filling in between. I packed a ham sandwich for lunch. Sausage. Ground meat seasoned and encased, often cooked or grilled. He had sausage and eggs for breakfast. Soup. A liquid dish made by boiling meat, vegetables, or grains. Chicken soup is good when you're sick. Steak. A thick slice of beef, often grilled or fried. He ordered a medium rare steak.